What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can scrape a YouTube channel automatically using make.com. Let's get started. To scrape a YouTube channel, I'm going to use apify.com. Apify is an incredible tool with pre-built actors that you can use to scrape any website and automate projects. Create an account on Apify, and after creating an account, head over to Apify Store. On Apify Store, we're going to search for a website that we like to scrape. In this case, we like to scrape a YouTube channel, so I'm going to search for YouTube. Then here, you can see almost 100 tools that you can use to perform a particular action on YouTube. So you can be able to scrape short videos, comments, transcript, views, emails. But in this case, we like to scrape data of a particular YouTube channel. So I'm going to use the first YouTube channel scraper tool. Now, on our tool, here we will add the URL of the YouTube channel that we like to scrape. Now, in our case, I'm going to add my YouTube channel right here. Here, I will specify the number of videos I would like to scrape. You can say 10 or 20. And the number of shorts that you would like to get the data for. Now, on the channel sorting, here you can filter based on the date, but I'm going to choose to leave it as is. You can also choose to filter videos from the last maybe 1 day, 2 days, 1 week, or 1 month. You can also sort the videos by newest, popular, or oldest. So I'll choose to sort the videos by popular. Now, to get all the data of this YouTube channel right here, I'm going to click on Save and Start. You can see right here that our actor is running and it's getting our data. You can see that our tool scraped all the data of our YouTube channel, starting with the channel avatar URL, the channel banner, the channel description links, the channel join date, location, name of the channel, total videos, total view count, the channel URL, the date each video was posted, the duration, the ID, we're getting if the channel is age restricted, channel is verified, the total number of subscribers, the thumbnail, URL, the title of each video, the link to each video, and the total views each video got. We are scraping all this data of our YouTube channel using this fast YouTube channel scraper tool on Apify. Now, we can set up an automation on make.com to scrape all this data and automatically add the data to a Google spreadsheet similar to this one. So we can collect the video titles, the video URL, the video duration, the views count, date each video was posted, the name of the channel, the URL of the channel views, and the total number of subscribers of the channel. So let us create an automation that automatically scrapes a YouTube channel and adds this data to a Google spreadsheet right here. Now, to start scraping YouTube channel data, we're going to start by watching new rows on a Google spreadsheet. I've created this spreadsheet and named it to YouTube channels. So here I will add all the channels that I would like to scrape their YouTube data. So these are the 2 YouTube channels that I like to scrape. Here, I'm going to first of all create a connection between Google Spreadsheet and Make by clicking on Add, and then renaming your connection, then signing in with Google. But since I had already created a connection, I'm going to close and then search for a spreadsheet. Now, our spreadsheet is called Scraping Sheet. So here, I'm going to choose our spreadsheet and then click on our spreadsheet right here. Our sheet name is going to be YouTube channels. And then yes, it contains headers and the limit will be 2. And then click on OK. And then here we can start from all and then click on OK. And then now I'll search for Apify and then click on Run an Actor. Here, you'll also create a connection between Apify and Make.com by clicking on Add. And then here, you'll rename your connection and then add the API token right here. To get your API token on Apify, click on Settings and then API and Integration. Here, you'll find your personal API tokens. All you have to do is copy it and then come and paste the API tokens right here. But since I had already created a connection, I'm going to close and choose my connection right here. And then after choosing my connection, I'm going to choose our actor. Our actor is called YouTube Channel Scraper. And then here, I'm going to choose to run synchronously. Then we'll add our JSON right here. On our tool, you'll find manual and JSON options. I'm going to click on the JSON, and then here I'll copy our JSON, head over to our JSON formatter, and then paste our JSON right here and process it to format our JSON. And then here I'll copy our JSON and then paste our JSON right here, and then click on OK. After we've run our actor, we'll need to get our dataset item. So on Apify, I'm going to get our dataset item using this module right here. For dataset ID, I'm going to add the default dataset ID right here. And then here I'll choose format as JSON. And then the limit, you can limit it to, let's say 10. And then click on OK. On our run an actor module, here it says art. I'm going to delete the name and add the names of our YouTube channels. Instead of manually writing the channels, I'm going to add the art right here. So the art will be these channels names over here. And then here, I'll click on OK. I'll run automation so we can get the YouTube data right here. To do that, I'll click on run. So here you can see that our automation ran successfully. So we scraped both channels data. You can see the status was a success. And right here, we got all the data of each YouTube channel. So for example, here, these are the data for lags automation. So we scraped the data of the first video. We got its duration, the channel name, the channel URL, the date it was posted, the URL of the video, the thumbnail, URL, channel description. We got all these data of our channel, the location, the avatar URL, the banner, total videos on the channel, total views, total subscribers. We scraped all these data using our YouTube channel scraper tool, and we did that for the rest of the videos that we chose to scrape right here. The same with the Dennis King channel. We're scraping all the data of the channel and the data of each video from the channel right here. Now we can choose to add all this data to a Google spreadsheet. I rename it to sheet 1, so we can add all this data to our Google spreadsheet right here. To do that, I'm going to choose to only add only one channel right here instead of 2. So I'm going to scrape each channel at a time. This is perfect. And then you can get the data set, can limit it to 1 instead of 10, and click on OK. Now to add the data to our Google spreadsheet, yeah, I'll search for Google Sheet. Then I'll click on add a row module. Yeah, I'm going to search for a spreadsheet and click on our spreadsheet, which is scraping sheet. And then here I'll add our sheet name. Sheet is sheet 1. And then we can add the values of the columns that we have on our Google spreadsheet. Now, for the video title, we'll add the title right here. For the video URL, we'll add the video URL right here. Video duration, we'll add the duration right here. The views count, we'll add the views count right here. The date the video was posted, we'll add the date right here. The channel name, we'll add the channel name. The channel URL, we'll add the channel URL right here. The channel views, we'll add the total views of the channel, and then here we can add the subscribers. And now I'll click on OK. So this module, I'll rename it to Get YouTube Channels. And then here we'll scrape our YouTube channels. And then here we're getting the data of our YouTube channels. And then here I'll rename this to YouTube channel data. And then I'll click on OK. Now to add our YouTube channel data on our Google spreadsheet, I'll choose to start from all, and then click on OK. And now here I'll run our automation. So here you can see that automation ran successfully. So we are scraping the data for our lags automations channel. Now we scrape the data for our YouTube channel, and we got the YouTube channel data right here. So you can see here we're scraping our best performing video right here, and we are getting the data of the video and the data of the YouTube channel. And then we are adding the data to our Google spreadsheet right here. We can add more videos and get their respective data, including the data of our YouTube channel right here on our spreadsheet. To do that, on our actor, you can choose the maximum results right here. So we can choose, let's say 30 and click on OK. And now here we can choose a specific channel that we like to scrape. For example, I like to scrape our lax automation channel. Click on OK. Now, you can also add the limit here and say 30 and click on OK. Now let us add the data of that videos from our YouTube channel. After running our automation, we got our YouTube channel right here. So we are scraping videos from Lax Automation, and we scraped our YouTube channel using the YouTube channel scraper tool on Apify. Then we got the YouTube channel's data right here. So we're getting the data of each video, the data of the YouTube channel, and we're doing that for 30 videos. And then we're adding the 30 videos to our Google spreadsheet called scraping sheet. When I go back to our Google spreadsheet, you can see the 30 videos that we just scraped using our YouTube channel scraper. And we're getting all the details of our videos and our channel. So we're getting the video title, the video URL, the duration of the video, the views of the video, the day the video was posted. We're getting the channel name, the channel URL, the total number of views of the channel, and the number of subscribers we have on our YouTube channel. So we are getting all this data by setting up the simple automation on make.com. So this is a simple automation that you can set up right now on Make to scrape a YouTube channel and get all the YouTube channel's data added to a Google spreadsheet like this one right here. If you have an automation or a system in mind that you'd like for me to create, just comment down below in the comment section. I read out the comments, and if I land on your comment and I find it intriguing, I'll come back on a future video showing you how to set up the entire automation or system from scratch. But for now, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.